Hey guys, it's Justin from Outlaw. Today we have a really quick video on the S55 changing the Vanos solenoids. They're located right under here. You can see the bottom one is out and the top one is in. We're swapping them around as part of a diagnostic procedure. But it's a lot like an N55, and obviously it's an S55. There are a couple differences though. So the top one, you can get it out even with the intake piece here in, but to get the bottom one out, it was easier just to disconnect this piece. It's aftermarket. Undid the clamp on this side and this side, left the mass airflow plugged in and that vacuum line plugged in. It just moves nicely out of the way here. And then when you go to do the bottom one, this coolant tube is in the way, and there's a little bolt right down here, and there's also one right over here by the alternator. The bolt is an E8. Both of the small ones are. And then the bolts that are holding the Vanos solenoid on are both 10 mils. And then the lower solenoid has the plug. It's got this plastic piece. The top one does not. So it's kind of hard to mix the connectors up that way. Also, the carbon fiber brace that goes from over there around the front to that side, that came off also, and that's just held on by 13 millimeters and then one 10 millimeter right here for the coolant reservoir. But yeah, overall super easy to swap out. I thought I'd share with you guys in case you were looking to do the solenoids and wanted to see exactly what was involved before replacing them. Yeah, smash like and subscribe.